Insert at first position of a list in Python. How can I insert an element at the first index of a list? If I use list.insert0, elementary, does elementary modify the content of the first index? Or do I have to create a new list with the first elementary and then copy the old list inside this new one?
Use insert.
From the documentation. List.insert I, X, insert an item at a given position. The first argument is the index of the element before which to insert, so a.insert0, X, inserts at the front of a list, and a.insert len a, X is equivalent to a.append X. This URL